Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your go-to destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and luxurious motorhomes hitting the road in 2025, the Kenworth T1850 Motorhome. This beast isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling mansion with muscle. From the outside, the T1850 makes a statement. Built on Kenworth's heavy-duty truck platform, this motorhome combines rugged durability with sleek, modern styling. The bold chrome grille, full LED lighting, and aerodynamic contours give it a commanding road presence. Whether you're parked at a campsite or cruising down the highway, this rig turns heads. Under the hood, it's powered by a Cummins X15 Performance series engine delivering up to 605 horsepower and 2,050 lb-ft of torque. That means you're pulling not just a house on wheels, but a powerhouse that can handle mountains, long hauls, and towing with absolute ease. Paired with an Eaton automated transmission, the driving experience is surprisingly smooth for a rig of this size. Step inside, and it's like entering a high-end apartment. The interior is crafted with premium materials. Think hardwood cabinetry, leather seating, quartz countertops, and ambient LED lighting. You get a full-size kitchen with residential appliances, a master bedroom with a king-size bed, and a spacious bathroom featuring a rainfall shower. Everything is designed for maximum comfort on the road. Technology-wise, the T1850 doesn't disappoint. A full digital cockpit, voice-controlled smart systems, solar panel integration, and satellite internet keep you connected and in control. Climate control is dual-zoned and whisper quiet, making long journeys feel effortless. One of the best parts? The storage. Kenworth has engineered underbody compartments and slide-outs to maximize space without compromising aesthetics or balance. Whether it's bikes, grills, or gear, there's room for it all. Of course, all this luxury comes at a price. Starting at around $650,000, the Kenworth T1850 Motorhome is definitely a premium choice. But for those who want the ultimate RV experience, it's worth every penny. So, is the 2025 Kenworth T1850 Motorhome the king of luxury on wheels? Absolutely. With brute power, elegant living, and top-tier features, it's more than just a motorhome. It's a lifestyle. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels, and let us know in the comments. Would you take this beast across the country? Or is it too much motorhome for your taste? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.